Azai here had a birthday recently, and he received 2 presents that were exactly the same. So I said, let's go to the toy store and we'll exchange one for something that you don't have. And this is what he chose. Now, how do you think a dad feels when his son wants to get this?
Yeah!
Yeah! That's how I feel. Right, Zuri? I let my boys choose their life. That's how Mama and I, that's how we are, right? We just say whatever.
Yeah!
We say, yeah, choose it. Choose your expression. Choose what you're into. Choose your sexuality. Choose whatever. And you have my promise right now, both of you, as we sit in this car, this hot car in this parking lot, you have my promise forever to love you and accept you no matter what life you choose. Yeah! Oh my goodness.